This is how easy it is to install the website. All you do is grab all the files, upload them to your server through FTP, and in a matter of about 90 seconds or so, you have a completely functional website just by uploading the files, and I'll show you what that looks like. And just like that, we end up with a beautiful website that any business would be proud to own. This one is for landscaping service, but all these components can be changed. Okay, and it comes with video with a live actress.
You have many options for choosing a landscaping company in our...
And it has a guide that helps the consumer to understand what their choices are. They can instantly download, and it comes with various articles on the subject, all pre-installed. The whole website is configured and ready to go for you. It's keyword optimized for search engines. It has a blog page that lists the articles, and this is good for capturing search engine attention. And they click read more to go to the article. And there's an about page that lists the business, and this is all configurable, and a contact page, as well as the terms of service and privacy policy. And there's a special area where you change all these settings. So let's log into the admin area. And here we have the dashboard that gives you the various options. You have the website name, business name, street address, and so forth, and the website link that shows up in that little business box. You can display Google Plus button, Facebook page, YouTube page. So we'll click yes on those to display, and a Twitter, of course. And here we can choose an image to display for the business. And you can choose up to 10 different color schemes. And you can also choose a logo to represent the business. And of course, these are all placeholders that can be easily changed once the site is sold or rented to a local business, and all these things can be changed to suit their taste. Click on Customize Website and view the website, and here we go. We now have that image we selected, and here on the bottom you can see the different media buttons float, and a visitor would simply click on one of those buttons to visit their page that's set up on those services. So it's a really powerful website for any business offline, and they can use this as a secondary site to capture leads. The guide can be configured with the business's information, so it's an awesome site that can funnel prospects to their main website. And remember, this whole thing was done in just a matter of 90 seconds or so, and then go in and configure some of the settings. Now, with a system like this, you can install hundreds of these sites in a day, and they have valuable properties for this keyword. You simply upload them to a domain name, and you have a web property that is very attractive to local businesses. Now keep in mind, there's no WordPress involved, no plugins, no database, no extra stuff like that. It's a very simple site to transfer to a buyer. The whole idea is to provide an extremely valuable website to a business, and for it to occupy almost none of your time. 90 seconds to upload the thing, depending on your connection speed. And once you've uploaded it to your domain name, it can begin attracting search engine attention. You can configure the site any way you want. There's a section you can go into to enter keywords and meta descriptions and so forth. And the whole idea, again, is to keep it super simple for you. You simply upload the site and you're pretty much done. You just install, and then you can focus all your attention on finding prospects that will be anxious to get a hold of a site like this. And that's what the course is all about. I teach you how to do that. So the Local Domain Empire course is broken down into 3 sections. The first one being techniques for finding local domains that are highly marketable and highly desirable by businesses. The second component is working with this website, which is designed to take as little of your time as possible. You're selling domain names after all, not really websites, but we include this website to make it more attractive to your buyers. And the third component is how to sell these domain names and websites. And the amazing thing about this is once you have this template, you can install it on as many domains as you wish. And your only cost for the domains can be as little as a few bucks, $2, $3, $4, by taking advantage of certain discount codes for domain names. And I teach you how to do that as well. And once you've installed the sites, you have a year before you have to renew the domain name. So you have a full year to let it attract search engine love and for it to catch the eye of a potential buyer. It's a very low risk and high profit system.